Oh hey, welcome to another edition. Hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at another piece of track. This is a number 4 left and right, or right and left depending which one you make. I built a Timesaver and I decided I wanted to squeeze an Inglenook Y in there, which has always been my plan, and I realized I can barely fit it with what I built. But if I really squeeze it together, I can put a left and right to make the Y for the Inglenook, barely make it fit. But I had to really crush it down. So this is a left and a right combined together as close as I can make it. It's one big jig. You just got the one jig, and it really has one long stock rail, and this is essentially a stock rail. And what amounts to being the other stock rail is a frog as well, and your little frog in there. So you have all the same ties for a right and a left at the same time, and you make a bunch of long frogs. And I basically cut the connection point here where the diverging rail meets the stock rail. I made that a bit wider so I had a little more play in it to get it in the right place. But it seemed to work out right, pretty good, and I put a lot of wires into it because I want to make sure all the frog parts are all wired up so every piece of the track has actual power to the rail. So at this point it's got a few little wires coming from it. I also changed over finally to the under track with a piece of spring wire down in there. So now I've got under track servos with spring wire coming up through it. I made a little drill press so I could drill out these tiny little ties so I can get the little, I use a 0.6 millimeter spring wire, and I drilled a hole out for 0.7 millimeter holes. And there's 2 servos, 2 spring wires, and it works from below. Works pretty well. Quite happy with it. I'm going to retro the other servos so you can have the other turnout so they can have the same kind of function as well. And you want to get it on Colts. I'm debating making a ladder version as well, which would be lefts and lefts and rights on the same direction, so like for a marshalling yard or whatnot. But at this point, this is my left and right version, number 4s. Get them on Colts. Check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. If you make an Inglenook and you want to go left, you want to go right, but you ain't got space, make yourself a really tight left and right number 4. Left and right number 4.